Welcome, eBay enthusiasts, to your ultimate beginner's guide. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of eBay account times and limits. Whether you are a seasoned seller or a novice buyer, understanding the ins and outs of eBay accounts is crucial for success. So, without further ado, let's begin. Now, let's explore the different type of accounts available on eBay. Whether you're starting a buyer or aiming to become a top-rated seller, eBay offers a range of account options tailored to your needs and goals. Now, let's look on the personal account because when you create one, it is mostly suitable for casual sellers who want to sell items occasionally, but it does have a certain selling limits, typically around 10 items per month, and obviously they are free to create and use. And all you're gonna do to create your personal account, just provide your full legal name. It could be a working email or a business email. Just create a strong password, and by clicking on the create personal account option, you are all set. But if you wanted to simplify the whole process, you can continue with your Google account, your Facebook account, or your Apple account. Now, in terms of the business account right here, obviously it's suitable for individuals or businesses who want to sell items regularly because business accounts offer higher selling limits compared to personal accounts. They may require verification of identity and business information. As you can see, it has a different option in terms of the personal. You cannot continue with your Google, your Facebook, or Apple because you need to provide the business name, your business email if that applies, obviously your password, and where is your business registered. Say for example, if you are in the United States, just follow the on-screen instructions because it may incur additional fees for certain features. Now, the moment you create your business account, you need to go to the eBay for Business. And as you can see, you have an access to the Seller Hub because from here, when you click on this option, this is everything you need to know to grow your business. You have an access to your listing and orders, a multi-user account access for listing and orders, performance orders, sales and tax reports, promoted listing standard, and a lot more. Right? So these are the reasons why you want to use the Seller Hub when you have the business account, making your work easier. And obviously, you have all the tools you need to succeed to grow your business, right? You get competitive listing guidance, simplified listing management. You can optimize your selling strategy and exclusive marketing tools, especially on the eBay store subscribers. And as you can see, you can have a great price badge because a great price badge helps eBay shoppers quickly and easily discover high quality inventory at highly competitive price when you have that on your store. And obviously they have the verified rights owner program. Now, it allows owners of intellectual property rights and their authorized representatives to report eBay listings that may infringe on those rights. Basically, Vero is a good tool which respects property owners' rights. And when you click on here, here are some information about the verified rights owner program. And of course, you have an access to the third-party providers because on eBay, third-party providers can have like an access to inventory management and e-commerce platforms to help you run your eBay business more efficiently. Now, I have an access to the third-party providers because their services complement the existing functionality on eBay and can be used to unlock more potential. When you click on Access More, if you have more questions on what is a third-party provider, you might want to go here, right? And if you click on the request form, because I did this in the past, and so this is going to be the business development support request. If you're more interested, just sign up, follow the on-screen instructions, and you are all set. Now, choosing between the two, remember that it's important for sellers to familiarize themselves with eBay policies and guidelines to ensure compliance and avoid account restrictions or suspensions. Additionally, regularly monitor selling limits and performance metrics can help you sell maximize your potential on the eBay platform, whether you are on the business account or on a personal account. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.